பாய்ன்னு சொல்றதுக்கு ஃபுல் ஃபார்ம் என்னன்னு தெரியுமா?
Be with you every time. அப்படி சொல்லு. Be with you every time. Very good, very good. நம்ம smile சொல்றோம்ல. What is the full form of smile?
Sweet memories in lips expression.
Full form of aim. Ambition in mind. Super.
டெய்லி டேட் பார்க்குறோமா? டேட் எழுதணும்ல, அந்த டேட்டோட ஃபுல் ஃபார்ம் என்ன?
Evolution. What is the full form of news?
North, east, west, south.
Very good. North, east, west.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
What is the full form of job?
Joining others business.
Joining others business.
Joining others business. Is it correct? Do comment.